Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to make your location less precise on Life360 while still using the app safely. First of all, open the settings on your phone. Then on iPhone, toggle precise location off. This will make Life360 know roughly where you are but not your exact spot. On Android, choose battery saving or device only mode in location settings to reduce GPS accuracy. Now, another step is to limit background location. You can also limit 360 background location access. Set it to while using the app instead of always. This reduces constant location updates without disabling the app entirely. Step 4 is to manage notification and places. Adjust places notifications so you can only get alerts for key location like home or work, reducing the need for the constant precise tracking. And that's it, you can now use Life360 safely with less precise location tracking. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.